5 best free AI courses with certificates in 2026. Learn AI from Google, Microsoft, and IBM. Introduction. Today, almost every job requires AI skills. But when you look at the price of many AI courses, they can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. That makes learning AI seem impossible for many people. But what if I told you that you can learn AI completely free from companies like Google, Microsoft, IBM, and even top universities? Not only that, you'll also earn certificates that you can proudly add to your resume and LinkedIn profile to impress employers. Yes, you heard that right. Zero investment. Whether you're a student, looking for a new job, planning a career change, or simply want to upgrade your skills, this video can be a game changer for you. Stay with me until the end because I'll explain each course step by step. What you'll learn, who it's best for, how long it takes, what certificate you'll receive, and exactly how you can enroll. Let's get started. Step 1. Google. Introduction to Generative AI. Let's begin with Google. If you've ever wondered how ChatGPT works, what Google Gemini is, or how AI creates images and text, then this is the perfect course for you. Why should beginners choose this course? The biggest advantage is that it's designed for complete beginners. You don't need any coding knowledge. Google explains everything in very simple language. You'll learn what generative AI is, how large language models work, how modern AI tools generate content, and Google's own AI tools like Gemini. Course duration. Only 1 hour. Yes, just 60 minutes. You can even complete it during your lunch break. Certificate. After completing the course, you'll receive an official Google completion badge that you can add to your LinkedIn profile to impress employers. How to enroll. This Google course is available on the Simply Learn Skill Up platform. Simply visit the Skill Up website, search for Introduction to Generative AI, register for free, and start learning. If you're completely new to AI, this is the best place to begin. Step 2. Microsoft. Career Essentials in Generative AI. Next is Microsoft. This course is called Career Essentials in Generative AI, created by Microsoft in partnership with LinkedIn. Unlike the first course, this is a complete career-focused learning path. What will you learn? You'll discover how AI can improve your daily work. The course teaches you how to use Microsoft Copilot inside Microsoft Word, Excel, Outlook to save time and become more productive. You'll also learn AI fundamentals, responsible and ethical AI, career opportunities in AI, and future AI job roles. Course duration. Around 4 hours divided into 5 easy modules. Certificate. After completing the course, you'll receive a co-branded certificate from Microsoft and LinkedIn. This certificate looks excellent on your LinkedIn profile and resume. How to enroll. The course is available on LinkedIn Learning. If your company provides free LinkedIn Learning access, you can take it at no cost. Otherwise, you can complete it during LinkedIn Learning's free trial period and still earn the certificate. Step 3. IBM AI for Everyone. Master the basics. Now let's move to IBM. If you're starting from absolute zero and want a strong understanding of AI, this course is an excellent choice. What will you learn? You'll understand concepts like artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, ChatGPT, and AI ethics. Everything is explained in simple, beginner-friendly language. Course duration. About 4 weeks, but you'll only need to spend 1 to 2 hours each week. That makes it easy to complete alongside your studies or job. Hands-on project. One of the best parts of this course is the final project. You'll create a simple AI solution for a real business problem, helping you apply what you've learned. Certificate. You'll receive an IBM certificate that adds credibility to your resume and shows employers you understand both the technical and business side of AI. How to enroll. Visit the edX platform, register for free, enroll in the course, and start learning. Step 4. IBM Skills Build, AI Fundamentals. Our 4th course is also from IBM, but it's a little more advanced. If you've already learned the basics and want to go deeper into AI, this course is your next step. What will you learn? You'll explore topics like natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, core AI concepts, real-world AI applications. One of the most exciting features is that you'll learn how to build your own AI chatbot without writing a single line of code. Course duration? Approximately 10 hours. Who is this course for? It's ideal if you want an AI-related career, better technical knowledge, practical AI skills, or confidently discuss AI solutions at work. Certificate. You'll earn a verified IBM digital badge and certificate that you can showcase on LinkedIn. How to enroll? Go to the IBM Skills Build website, create a free account, and start learning immediately. Step 5. University of Helsinki, Elements of AI. Our final course is one of the world's most popular free AI courses. It's called Elements of AI, created by the University of Helsinki. Millions of learners worldwide have completed this course. What makes it special? It doesn't just teach you how AI works, it helps you understand how AI is changing society and everyday life. What will you learn? Across 6 chapters, you'll learn what AI is, machine learning basics, practical AI applications, AI in social media, AI in shopping recommendations, self-driving cars, the impact of AI on different industries. Do you need programming? No coding, no advanced mathematics. The course uses real-life examples that anyone can understand. Who should take it? This course is especially useful for people working in marketing, finance, business, education, healthcare, or any non-technical profession. Certificate. After completing all the exercises, you'll receive an official certificate from the University of Helsinki, which is recognized internationally. How to enroll? Simply visit the official Elements of AI website, create a free account, complete each chapter and exercise, and claim your certificate. Final recommendation. The best thing about all these courses is that they're free, they're beginner-friendly, they come with valuable certificates, you don't need a degree, you don't need coding experience. If you're just starting your AI journey, here's my recommendation. Learning Roadmap. Step 1. Google Introduction to Generative AI, 1 hour. Step 2. Microsoft Career Essentials in Generative AI. Step 3. IBM AI for Everyone. Step 4, IBM Skills Build AI Fundamentals. Step 5, University of Helsinki, Elements of AI. Following this order will help you build your AI knowledge gradually and confidently. Become part of it. I've added links to all these courses in the video description. Click the links, enroll in your favorite course, and start learning today. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which course are you going to start first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI tutorials. Conclusion. The AI revolution has already begun, and now you have everything you need to become part of it. I've added links to all these courses in the video description. Click the links, enroll in your favorite course, and start learning today. Now I'd love to hear from you. Which course are you going to start first? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more AI tutorials.